Hi everyone, welcome to our channel trafinhealducate and welcome to today's video where we will take you through a journey of understanding many important concepts. If you are a software professional and you are evaluating or you are trying to understand what is diversity and inclusion, and what is accessibility and what is customer communication strategy, then this video is for you. Right, so let's get started quickly. So basically, what is customer communication management, right? So customer communication management is that technology domain or the business domain where you interact with your customers through different communication channels, right? So by this state where AI is at every forefront, that you know that uh, banks, if you are a customer of a bank needs to update you about your credit card statements, bank statements, and many other documents, right? They send you an email, they send you a WhatsApp message, they send you SMS, they send you a hard copy also if required. If you are a customer of insurance company, then insurance bond papers, claim documents, everything is called a customer communication document, right? And if you are evaluating like which technology products are actually enabling those customer communication management, then there are few I have listed on the right side. There are many more, but these three are the market leaders in terms of the market share, or basically the Fortune 500 companies across the world, or even in India, top companies, top banks, top insurance companies mostly use these products, right? So Quadient, there is a company called Quadient which has a product called Quadient Inspire. Smartcom, there is a company called Smart Communication. They have a product called Smartcom. Then there is a company called OpenText, and they have a product called OpenText Extreme, right? So if you are thinking like, or if you are getting started of understanding what is customer communication management, this is just the beginning, right? So this is on a high level. You must understand that any document that an organization sends or customer sends back to the company is called a communication, and it can happen via any channel, which is an omni channel we call: SMS, email, paper, WhatsApp. There can be many avenues to it, right? So now let's move on to what is diversity, equity, and inclusion, right? And what is accessibility? So you must be hearing this term like DE&I in many aspects today. Like every organization is trying to create a workplace that is giving equal opportunity to all the employees, that all the human beings, even though they have some limitations in terms of performing certain tasks in the usual way, but they are given all the they are being enabled, and they are being heard, and they are being valued, right? So that's the goal of DE&I, or diversity, equity, and inclusion, right? We should not distinguish or differentiate between anyone, and we should also help each other, and we should also help anyone who has any cognitive disability to be able to given all the opportunities also, right? And that, so a company might have customers who might not be able to who might have in many some people might have visual impairment, someone might be having hearing impairment. So there can be many scenarios, right? But those customers also should be given equal importance, because many countries, many states, every state has is actually imposing many legal implications if you are not providing a right uh, communication to your customer, right? So, so to address that, there is a certain subdomain within customer communication called accessibility, right? So accessibility is a very wide term, right? So what is accessibility, right? If I am having any impairments, I should be able to access the document, my bank statement. Suppose, let's say I am having some hearing impairments, right? So, or I have or if I am seeing a particular communication being sent to me, then I should be, if I am viewing the video, then I there should be captions enabled on it, right? So if I am having visual impairment, then I am using some touch enabled devices, right, which has braille, which you call as braille, right, where there are many organizations or printing companies who specialize, but that communication has to be designed in a certain way so the braille printing can be done. So the accessible, and if I am having visual impairment, I should be able to hear what is written on my bank statement and take a call whether that is correct or not also, right? So there should be some screen readers, as well as the PDF that is coming to me should be designed in such a way that each and every component that is displayed on the PDF is also read out for me, right? So this is on a high level DE&I and accessibility, right? And how to achieve this accessibility? Like there are, we have to adopt inclusive design, and we have to reach out to the customer through multiple channels. To whichever extent an organization has to go, they have to go. They have to use assistive technology. They have to train their staff, and they should be able to send the communication in flexible formats, right? Just to give you some examples, so if you are being tasked of with a braille printing, so you are basically designing your bank statements or any kind of documents for visually impaired people, then you have to design the documents that is supported by braille printing, right, which is columnar format. Then if you are working on a marketing communication or any communication to customer with a video, and you are targeting the customers who cannot hear what is being told, then there should be captions and there should be also additional supports. And if you are sending PDF documents, there should be alternate text for images. What there should be a particular order should be needs to be designed, right? So these are all various features that is actually it is already available in all the products which I said, like Guardian, Extreme, and all those products. So you can evaluate those features and you can definitely achieve this achieve your DE&I goals, as well as you can create an equal environment for everyone, right? So thank you for today's video. I know this video is very short, but this is definitely going to help you in understanding and getting started. If you are evaluating those terms and you are trying to understand those terms and adapt to it, you are a business technologist or whoever, you are working on the software industry, then this video is going to help you. So if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel trafinhealducate, where we try to bring travel, finance, health, and education related content to you. And this and have a great day. Bye. Thank you.